Well, let's go see what these ladies is doing. They're up here working in the offices. Where, oh, where would they be? Not there, not there. There they are. Whose office is this? Tanya's. That's looking mighty nice.
Yeah, we just got them.
Cool. I'm going to take that trailer home so I can get all the rest of my toolboxes in here. That's looking good, Ronnie. We didn't show them inside this room. We'll have to flick on the switch and... Hey, we got 2 lights in here. Perfect enough. So we can put oil in here. I can hang belts. Put my welders in here. Shelves in here for whatever. Oil, fluids, antifreezes. Oil drum to get rid of oil.
In there?
We put 2 lights up in there. That's it. 2 lights is plenty. If you can't read 10W40 with 2 lights, you know, we need new mechanics.
Yep.
Wait a minute. We are the mechanics. Whoops.
Oh, that's looking good.
Isn't it though?
Yeah.
It's turning out pretty good.
So you're doing cable management on your chargers?
Yeah, it's got to look tight. I like a clean shop. I cannot stand tripping over things, not being able to find things. And now we have the room.
It's
Every
looking.
tool can have its own spot. I don't have to dig for it. I don't have to go track down my truck because it's under my seat.
That's
So, yeah,
good.
Cable management on the
wall.
wall on the battery chargers to make it look nice and
Tidy.
tidy and presentable and
Yep.
all that happy jazz. So yeah, what do you think?
I think it looks really nice.
Tell you what, that toolbox, I don't want to move that ever again.
Yeah, let's not. Don't ask about that one.
You know, good help is hard to find. You get them in here, and all they do is sit down for lunch.
Hey, I'm eating my dinner. I worked with you all day today.
Oh,
What?
you did? What about Ronnie?
What do you mean, what about me?
Oh, he worked all day today.
I worked all day.
He
Meemaw
worked at the
did
car
too.
lot all day.
Meemaw
And
worked
Meemaw had to slay chickens all day. Yeah,
But I'm
we're
here.
just now taking a break from everything.
Poor Valerie, though. She had to stick her hand up the chicken's ass and pull his phone out.
Yeah.
Yeah, she does.
Yeah, she does all
But that's how you get good chicken nuggets. Not a bad cut for a couple of new guys, huh? Not bad. It's gonna be a nice bench. Ronnie, I got a double header on the way. How many LED lights you think we need, buddy? What are you trying to do? Light up the sun?
I'm thinking 2 here. We'll go this way 2. That should brighten up to here. And then we'll do another one over
So
there.
you're thinking what, about 7 lights?
6, 7.
6, 7 under here? And that'll brighten this up and get rid of these old clunky lights. We added 2 more lights there at the service desk. One thing we also are getting, let me put on this double-headed power cord, from that beam all the way down this way, all the way down that way, all the way down. We're doing the checkered flag banners. You guys know what I'm talking about. And this corner here, we're having a 3x5 checkered flag. Right here, a 3x5 checkered flag. Right here, a 3x5 American flag. Let me know what you guys think down in the comments. We want to thank all the people who have so far given back to us and to the channel by donating through our PayPal, buying shirts and hats. I don't have a hat on, but I don't have a shirt on either. Anyway, I want to thank you guys for making all this stuff possible and really helping us out and doing what we're doing for the community. That means a lot to us. If you're one of those guys, down in the video description, you'll see a PayPal link. You can donate to us there. You can buy merch, buy hats, buy any products off of our website. That's going to help us out. So far, a lot of you have donated and helped and been buying the shirts and the hats. It's truly thankful. We really appreciate you guys, and we really want to show you guys the love and just let you guys know we really, really, really appreciate it. And thank you, thank you, thank you. Right, Ronnie? Thank you.
Thank you.
We appreciate it because Ronnie wants to work for us. So we're gonna try and make that happen as soon as we get this building opened up and get some work coming in. So far, he's been helping me. So a lot of the money you guys been donating has been going to Ronnie to help us out. He's very appreciative of that.
Where'd you put the double?
The double header, it's over here. Got it.
Thank you for all the donations.
Ronnie appreciates it a lot. Thank you, Ronnie, for helping and doing what you do after work for us. We appreciate it. We'll be back to see these lights lit up. So guys, we want to thank you for watching this segment of us getting this shop ready. We went ahead and finished up getting them LED lights installed down there, so it's not so dark and dingy no more, and brightens up the place. And like I said, we got them flags coming. We're gonna get those up. It's gonna look real nice in here. This is definitely a dream come true, for sure. What do you think?
Yeah.
Definitely is. Me and Ronnie is going to be able to do the things that we enjoy to do. And by us doing that, of course, we'll be helping you at the same time. We want to thank each and every one of you. We cannot stress it enough. We want to thank you. If you have liked, shared, commented, subscribed to the YouTube channel, to our Facebook, to our TikTok. If you are one of the ones who have donated monetarily, I think I'm saying that right? Monetarily? I'm just a redneck. I don't have much higher than a redneck's education. So big words are a little tough squeeze out of these lips. But yeah, we want to thank you guys. Me and my wife, we worked super hard to get these toolboxes, or that toolbox, and that white toolbox here. Getting it on the trailer was, well, let's just say it was nothing short of a few wet shirts. But we got it here, and we cleaned all the dust off of her, and now we just have to go through the tools and get them organized. As you guys seen earlier in this video, we got the chargers up, we got the air tools up, we still have to bolt this down. We got some of the tools hanging, they're just everywhere because we're using them, we're putting them away. Me and Ronnie did bang out another bench.
Hey, look how nice that
You didn't
looks.
see that.
No, I didn't. It looks
We
awesome.
got the vise so I can change all them clutch kits. I've done, I don't know how many clutch kits this week, but it was quite a few. So we got the vise done so I can get my tool in there to do my clutch kits installs. Yeah, got the LEDs up. You guys seen that? We just got a lot of tools to put away. Guys, we want to thank you so much for all of your love and support. And if you will, please share this video with all of your friends, whether they're CF Moto or not. Maybe you have friends that would like to see a shop built, because that's kind of what these videos are about is building this shop out to an ultimate dream shop, dream garage. So maybe you have friends that are interested in that content. I know I myself am. I watch other YouTubers that, you know, are building out shops and building garages just to kind of see what they're buying and what they're putting in for shelving and toolboxes. We got these Husky boxes. We got them from Home Depot. And they're very nice boxes, they truly are. We have this Husky box my wife bought me 6 years ago for Christmas. And I have this US General box that I got on sale for $2.99 at Harbor Freight. Or was it $1.99?
I don't remember what it was.
It was one of the two. I've had it for most of the summer now, and it's been a good box. It's held up great.
Yep, you got space down there.
It takes a beating, and I like the locking drawers. We're not sponsored by any of these people, and we don't need to be to share the information with you. I got this parts tray off of Amazon. It was like $89. Definitely, you know, you can see where it's not the greatest paint quality, but you know what? It does the job, and I didn't buy it off the Snap-on truck for $30 a week for 69 years. Yeah, so I want to truly thank you guys for watching these shop build videos, and so you guys can see just some of the ideas that we come up with to maximize storage space, because as you guys know, I have a lot of tools, like a ton of tools. This isn't even half. This is only a quarter of what I have that's, you know, in boxes and stuff that needs to come here and get put away. I have a lot. Oh my God. I've spent years in the garage working on vehicles, so I have a ton of tools, and some of the tools won't even equate over to the side-by-side thing. So they'll just stay in boxes and probably never get used unless I need them to work on our cars or something. But yeah, guys, so definitely want to thank you guys. I've probably said it a gazillion times. I don't care. Thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you. Right? Thank you.
Thank you, thank you, thank you.
For everything. We wouldn't be where we are if it weren't for you guys. Yes, we work hard. Yes, we deserve it. But yes, you guys deserve the content. You guys deserve everything too, because if it weren't for you, we wouldn't be able to do this and make this dream come to life. I mean, it's amazing. And wait till you see the ideas that are flowing through my head. My brain is non-stop. Is it, honey?
Oh, it's going crazy.
I'm having a hard time sleeping. You know, I'm not stressing myself out per se. I'm just geeked. I'm excited, so it's kind of stressful because I'm so excited and my brain is moving 90 mile an hour, but my body is only moving like 4 mile an hour. So, all right, guys, peace out. God bless. Smash that like button. Smash that subscribe button. Share this video. Private message it to everybody. And let's grow this channel. Let's grow this garage. And let's pump out some awesome content. Peace out and God bless, guys. Those of you who have stuck around to watch the whole video all the way through, you guys have earned this little snippet. So I'm going to give you guys a little bit of a tour of, you know, how we got tools organized and all that stuff. So got all of our sockets in order. You know, we got our screwdrivers, ratchets and extensions. That's just half of what I got. Random tools that you always need. Pliers. Let's see here. The wrenches. We move along to this toolbox. I have my AutoFix scanner. I've done a video on that scanner before. This is another scanner that I use. You can get that at AutoZone. They're like 250 bucks. That one's $400 or $500 somewhere in there. And then I also have this one that connects to your phone. This one was like $100. It's okay, but not the best. Got our wrenches all put away in there. Most of these drawers are empty, but we got more punches and screwdrivers and Still got a lot more tools to put away, so a lot of these drawers are just kind of empty. Yeah, gloves, mechanics gloves, just brake tools, stuff like that. Let's see, more gloves. And carburetor adjusting screwdriver, because I used to tune carburetors. Them drawers are empty. Come in here. This is going to be everything. This cabinet here, it's going to be everything for cutting. So it's going to have all your saws, jigsaws, anything you need to cut, blades, cookies, grinding wheels, all that jazz. This cart here is going to be all electrical. So I have a wire rack where you put your rolls of wire on. We're going to hang on that wall there. This is going to have everything from soldering to connectors to everything you need for wiring, switches, and just everything we would need in the shop wise. And so we'll update on that as it goes. Got the grinder, and guys, I want to show you this grinder, how quiet and smooth it is. Look at that. It's so quiet and smooth. Like, wow. So, of course, somebody had mentioned about the battery chargers, why I hung them the way that I did. And I'm assuming he's probably talking about these screws. So this battery charger does not have the wall hangers on the back. So I just use screws. But the rest of them are hung the way that they're supposed to be, and then cable managed, and then I have everything running off of this. So even the lights up there. So all the chargers, they'll all be off when we're not here. This here is an 18650 battery charger, and it does work. And what I do is I go get these lights from AutoZone, and they come with the little 3 AAA battery holder. Well, you take that holder out and you put an 18650 in there, and it works. Not supposed to do that, but I've been doing it for years. I have like 10 of these lights, and I've converted each one of them. Never an issue. And then as the light starts getting dull, not dead, dull, that's when you charge the battery. These batteries here are about 8 years old. I've been using them. So yeah, and I have more at home. So yeah, that's what I do. I convert them over to rechargeable batteries. I think you can do the same thing to the Harbor Freight light, because it's almost identical light, probably made by the same company. Got the air tools. This light here, this is a portable Bluetooth speaker / floodlight, and it's made by Monster. It is 9 years old. Never replaced the battery. Still good as new, and it works great. Got all that hung up. Some reels of wire that we have that'll be going on the shelf. We got wire loom coming. Here's my brake bleeding kit. This is what I use to bleed brakes on cars, ATVs, and all that stuff. But yeah, guys, I want to thank the ones who stuck around and watched the whole video. You guys earned us a little sneak peek, and we'll see you in the next one. Thank you, guys.